Back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone. Guys, you want to off, so guys you can off dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all guys, what will you have to do to off dual WhatsApp? Guys, open your phone setting guys. After that guys, you will have to come on apps. Then guys click on dual apps. Guys click on WhatsApp dual apps. Guys you want to off, then guys off. Then guys click on OK option. So now you can see dual WhatsApp has offed. So that's it guys. I think you have understood how to off dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.